Welcome back to our Seeds of Soul development stream. Welcome, welcome. Who is already here in the chat? Tuesday night, second stream of the week. And we're back with some more tasks for Seeds of Soul, as every night. So let's have a look at today's schedule for the stream. Basically, we're continuing development where we left off yesterday. So there is one ticket here that we did not manage to implement last night. And this is the main thing we're gonna do today. This is a special implementation for scoring targets of our utility AI. So that means that there is an action that that has multiple potential targets, so multiple potential targets actually, and there is a scoring option that we want to implement to have one score for the action itself and one score for the actual best target that the action needs to determine. And there's a couple more things to do, as our game designer actually used the stuff that we implemented last night. So naturally there are some bugs there and we need to take care of that as well. Alright, I'm just trying to manage all my cables here on my desk, but I think it's okay now. My chair starts to make some strange noises again, like yesterday. Hopefully I'll not just drop to the floor. Alright. So let's see. I just tweeted about this stream. I'll probably let some people know that we are streaming. And I'm using Restream.io again to stream to YouTube as well and also to Mixer. Well, yeah, let's just see how that goes. Okay. All right. So to get into the programming mood again, let's start with something easy. I think for starters, I'm gonna pick this. So we implemented a cooldown for actions last night. That means that an action, when an action is performed after the usage of this action, there's a cooldown until the action can be performed again. And now there's an improvement needed. That means when starting the game, the cooldown is running instead of being at 0. And this is annoying when you tweak cooldowns of combat abilities. And I think there is one more thing that was not discovered in today's testing session, because I think the cooldown in our we're already here in the abstract action. So this is our cooldown, and I think the cooldown is because there's a time of last use of this action, and I think this is set when you start the action, and I'm not sure whether this is actually correct, because if the action is started then takes some time, then the action is finished, and when the action is finished, I think the cooldown should start at this point in time. So I think I'm gonna move this to end action. Have not thought about this yesterday. Gonna move it here. I think this is correct. And is there something like, oh, there's an awake here. Is cooldown ready? Time last use is let's see, this is only set here. That's gonna be interesting because time last use is here, and we actually want it to be at 0 when starting the game, which means it should be at 0 when the action is first evaluated. Is cooldown ready? Current time. Yeah, we just need to set. We need to set this time last use is time minus cooldown, and this way it should be possible to just get things going when the game starts. Okay, let it. Of course, let it compile first. Hey, the pineapple seller is back. Yo, how's it going? How are you doing? Seen on our Discord, by the way, that you're working on some stuff. Okay, clear this. And where is our AI companion? Yes, it's here. We have default modules, basic and shield, which is a new module that Dancing Lion implemented today. Pineapple seller. Well, I do what I can. We all do what we can. And I think there is a lot we can do. Right? There's this, you know, there's this saying that you only have to do something for 10,000 hours and then you're really good at it. So it's easy, right? You just have to spend 10,000 hours on something. Okay, let's hope I will not spend 10,000 hours on just this companion here. But we will see. That reminds me that I don't know if Citron is already here, but one of the last streams he said that is this AI implementation gonna take another 20 episodes? Because I just named the episodes before the last one. I think I just named them like utility AI part 1, 2 and up to 20. Well, anyways, okay, we have, where is this? Hang on, there is a shield module there, but we don't have. Oh, there is a shield test here. I think we should use this one. The shield test. Let's see. Okay, there's only... Yes, and there's only basic and shield there. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, no errors. At least no new errors at startup. Basic module shield is here. Well, we can see this, but and this there's a score there that scores the player's health. Okay. Let's just get ourselves into trouble. And this should be the shield, right? I can move into this. Yeah. And it protects me just a little bit, yeah. I still mess it up. But what can I do? So now it's in cooldown. But let's just quickly check. If I start this again, it should not be in cooldown. And it is not. Okay. First thing fixed for today. Awesome. Okay. Start with cooldown AI actions. And this is ticket number... Hey Dietmar, good evening. How are you doing today? Or tonight? Is it gonna be a long night tonight? Ticket number 1143. Okay. Where is it? Our abstract AI action script. Okay, that was just a joke calling it action script. It's actually a C# file. Okay, this one is implemented. Next one. Because I just saw that this is not working. Spawn object or operation area is not working, so that means we kind of messed up yesterday. Yeah, we are using AI companion shield test, and the shield is spawned when I actually started, but it's ignoring the defined operation area, which is, yeah, shouldn't be like that. Dietmar, short break watching the stream. Yes, it will be another long night. Pulling the all-nighters. Day by day. I mean, actually it's night by night. Gotta watch. That's not healthy. But I know there's probably some deadlines there, but the deadline is not called a deadline because you should be dead at the end when you reach that line. You know, there's isn't this there is a nice saying about deadlines. A wise man once said that I like deadlines. I like this whooshing sound they make as they fly by. And it's kind of true. Because if you've missed the deadline, then, well, like lean back a little bit and relax, because there's a new deadline coming up, and if you're nearing that new deadline, then it's gonna be stressful again. Yeah, the daily stream isn't helping too, yeah, but it's... I mean, it's the streaming schedule is only like 3 streams this week. But maybe there's gonna be 4, because I streamed... Yesterday was the Mundane Monday stream. Today is the... I don't know, Tied Down Tuesday stream, I don't know how to call it. Tomorrow there's maybe no stream at all, but we'll see. And then there is Thursday, which is the regular stream day, where I'm gonna stream like the whole afternoon. And then there is Friday, and Friday could be another shorter stream during the day. So let's see. But in between all those streams and the projects I have to work on, I still need to prepare my talk for next week, because I'm gonna be I will be speaking at the 4C conference in Prague. So and I should have something to present there, and it's not done yet, but I'm working on it. So okay, let's get back to the problem here. Spawn object operation error not working. We're gonna jump right into spawn object script. It's here, and spawn object. Let's see. Is it there? Yes. Slowing distance, stopping distance. We're gonna draw debug gizmos here that we can see what's happening there. And yes, I know my Visual Studio installation is just kind of messed up. Okay. Let's just check the operation area. We're gonna see that anyway, so let's just enable gizmos here. And start the game. Okay. Now we need to get ourselves into trouble. We'll just take some damage. Ow, ow, yeah. And its there is not seeking anymore. Okay, wow. I was really tired yesterday. Can you see that? I'm just... There is a bool member here is seeking, and it's always false because I don't set it to to true when I start the action. Oh man. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Let's get things going here. Okay. Ow, ow. Ow. Same move with play. Now, what is happening here? Shield spawn? Oh yeah, yeah, it works. Now there's a cooldown, and it actually spawns the shield where I am, and I can use it. I'm gonna deactivate Dismos now. Yeah, well, just let's try this again. Ow. Well, okay. Okay, the shield is still there. Ow. That's kind of nice. Yeah, it tries to protect me here. So every time the cooldown is done, it tries to Okay, that was wrong. That was wrong. It should... That was correct again. I know what's wrong. The problem is that we have the target position. And the target position is only set when the action is started. Then the AI moves. We need to do this differently. Because I think what we need to do here is there a spawn on random spot is on. Okay. Oh no, this is actually on purpose. So it just uses a random spot within that thing, but it's still true that the target position is only set when the action is started, and it could take a while until the AI reaches the operation area, and then the players may be gone. But in most cases and in most combat scenarios, it will be because a player would not move just into one direction all the time. It would just move a little bit to the right, to the left, and stay in a certain area, so it's probably fine. Let's retest this one more time. Okay, let's just make this bigger for you, so that you can see more of the game. Let's attack those enemies again. And... Ow. Ow. Okay. Shield spawn. Here is the shield. Here is the shield again. Okay. And here it is again. Why is there no interaction here? Yeah, this is just wrong, but shield. Okay, there's no interaction with this object here, which should be a terminal actually. Okay, this works. Ah, it feels quite safe inside the shield. Ow. Okay, let's move on. Okay, here's the shield again. Works. Okay. That's just fine. Ow. No, I actually wanted to retreat. Ah, I moved out of the shield. Okay. Okay. But the thing is, what we wanted to do here is actually working. So this was just the seeking part that was wrong. Fix seeking for AI spawn object action. Damn it. And ticket number is 1144. And it's only this one here. I'm not sure. There's something wrong with my chat here. Okay, bytes command is working. That's great. Okay. Done. Let's do this first. Investigate errors thrown when idle action is disabled, remove. So let's read the description here. I try to remove the idle action as its behavior will be covered by the stay with player action. This is reproducible with the currently checked in 7.5 version of the AI. If I disable or remove the action from the module and start the game, the following error occurs. If I disable or remove the action from the model after the game has been started, the following warning occurs. Okay, let's see. Let's use companion 0.75. What was that again? The idle action, that should be action idle here. And disable or remove. Let's first try to just disable this idle action. See what happens. Whoa! What is happening here? Let's just debug. Come on, yes. Best action. There's no best action here. That's kind of interesting. Move with player. Yeah, of course. We need to check this here. We can only do this if best action is valid. I think this could happen if all the other actions are either just not available or not. Maybe the preconditions are not met. Okay, let's try again. Try again now. By the way, if someone is new to this and the Seeds of Soul stream, or new to the Rharebyte channel, and if you have questions, just please do ask questions in the chat. I'll be happy to answer all your questions and tell you about Rharebyte and Seeds of Soul, our game. And if you haven't seen it, here is a trailer of the game, or a short teaser trailer. Because what you see here is just the lab, and the lab looks boring, but it's needed to shape things and implement new stuff and have something to play around with, whereas with the full game you have so many things going on that it's not good for debugging and testing, and also not good for implementing new features. And it seems that the error is now gone. The other thing that's happening here is disable or remove the action. So we're gonna go back and remove the idle action from this basic module here and try again, and it should not crash. And yes, some other errors as usual, but nothing from the AI, which is just fine. Help! Okay. And then there's one more thing. Dietmar, will there be a 12 years of pun special special stream? You mean 12 years? So it's gotta be a 12-hour stream with puns for 12 hours? Would that be a good idea? I mean, who actually would watch something like that? Okay, this is now also solved. Fix corner case where no best action, best AI action is available. This is ticket number 114 5. Okay. Yeah, no, Dietmar. Rharebyte will be next month. The company has its 12 years anniversary, so it's been 12 years since we started the company. But yeah, I think actually there should be some kind of a special stream on that day, right? Actually, I kind of like the idea to have something special, on this day, like a special stream for, I don't know, the whole day. I'm just looking at my calendar here. So it's October 17th, which is a Wednesday. Yeah, could work. It could work, but we need to find some content for that stream, right? Something that fits. Yeah, this just... We could just celebrate on stream. Okay. So this one is now... I'm just checking if I've... Okay, no, this is fine. Also implemented. And now... Don't bore us, get to the chorus. So let's get to it. This is now a more complex thing. I'm just gonna reword our companions here and everything that we have changed. Okay. So let's talk about the target's chorus here. So there is a base class that handles all target based scoring, or target based actions. And we have a couple of them. Those are actually the actions for picking something up, or a range attack, melee attack, and wait a minute, also retreat. Oh yeah, because retreat actually evaluates the most dangerous enemy and then tries to run away from that enemy. Okay, so this is also targets based. Now we should take... What is that? Okay, this is only the editor. Okay. On evaluate. Let's take a look at this. So at the moment, this is just like implemented in a way that we get the potential targets, which is then, this is an abstract method which will return some transforms from whatever implementation is currently running. And we have the potential targets, and then we just iterate through those targets, and we find our best target by running all scorers with that target, basically. We say best target here because the scorer should evaluate the best target, and we reset best target to the actual best target. It's a bit of a messy code block here, but that's the way it's implemented. So we score all those targets, and then we only use cores that are usable. That's something we implemented yesterday. So only those cores that are not scoring to 0 if ignores on 0 is set. Hey Feifei, good evening! How's it going? How is your Tuesday night so far? Good so far, and it's gonna get better, right? The later the night, the better it gets. No, the more sleepy I get, but I wonder how long it will take us to like continue the coffee discussion. But wait, actually by saying that I already restarted the conversation, kind of, right? Not a good idea. Okay. So let's read this. So some scores should only be used to select a target, but not to decrease the final action score when comparing it to other actions. This should be a flag on the scorer component. That means every scorer should have a flag that says target scorer only or something. Feifei, I could go on. I could go on forever. But where's the point? I know I'm right. But someone on Discord posted the pumpkin spice latte thing, which has nothing to do with coffee, by the way. Anyway, so there's already a process defined how this should work. So when an action is evaluated, all potential targets are evaluated. So far so good. That's how it is done at the moment. But when a target is evaluated, all scorers are... Yeah, when a target is evaluated, all scorers are evaluated. That's right. When a score is evaluated, it adds a calculated score to the base score and increases the base score counter by 1. When a score that is marked as target score is evaluated, it adds a calculated score to the target score and increases the target score count by 1. What? After having evaluated next target, the average score consisting of both average base score and average target score of the new target and the previous target are compared, and the lower scoring target is dismissed. Hang on, what? When all targets are evaluated and final target has been selected, the average base score of the selected target is used to compare the action to other actions. Now, after reading this process, I have no idea what this all means. Anyway, Dietmar is falling asleep because he heard latte. What, will you be attending AkiCon? No? Or did you mean Dietmar? Alright, let's think this through, because I need to wrap my head around this. So there's what they were looking for volunteers also in the games room. Tell me more about that. And why is it the games room and not just the games room? Where and when is it, by the way? Isn't this oh, so you're gonna have Mario Kart, Super Bomberman, Super Smash Bros. Melee tournaments. Okay, isn't this cosplay thing? So, oh, it's the same venue as the Button Festival, where we basically furry Kaliningrads. Okay. How many people are attending? Do you know? Is there any Seeds of Soul cosplay there? You can make one, really? Would you? Okay. So I need to read this again. Some scores should only be used to select a target, but not to decrease the final action score. Okay, this means we have best target, which is the best target, which is just fine. And we have get score, which is in this case not the best target score. Now what I think what we need to do is this access somewhere? Best target score. Yes, I guess. You'll go as sexy space chicken. You know how space chicken actually, how this looks like? I'm gonna show you. Just to remind everyone in the chat how space chicken actually looks like. I'm going to show you a hell lot of space chicken. You see this? Help. Help means get more space chicken. And it looks like this. So what you're saying is you wanna you wanna cosplay and look like this space chicken here. You can make that work. Well, basically, if you have this just like a space chicken's suit, this kind of reminds you like this cliche student job, right? Where you have to like wear some stupid costume and just stand outside the shop or something to make promotion. All right. Okay. So best target score is used here. apart from that, only... Yeah, okay, this is get score. So I think we just need base score. I'm gonna return base score here. If reset scores is called, we're also gonna reset base score. Best target score, well, okay. Let's see. Hi, Joey Prink. Welcome back to the stream. Thanks for joining again. How are you tonight? I'm just trying to wrap my head around this block of code that I wrote a few weeks back, and I was actually waiting for you to help me out here and just say delete this block of code and start over. No, I'm just kidding. Fei, do I have link permission? Yeah, just what? Yeah, just paste the link here if you have something. It's all right. Well, thanks for following. Psycho King, welcome to the stream. If you're in the chat, say hello. So who's gonna click this Space Chicken link? I'm not sure I should do this. Psycho King, music alone is worth the follow. Well, thanks. I will just use this like on repeat. So we get more followers. This is a great idea. Well, actually, Monkey 3 is something I play a lot during streams and during work. It's kind of like gets me into the right mood. So base score is here. So we got a score. The base score should be scores. Well, scores are all scores that are usable. The current score. So this is for the best target, which is still true. If target is current target score is current score. What was I doing here? And current target score is used where? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay. Which should be fine, I guess. Oh yeah. Of course, this is for re-evaluating the currently running action, which is also fine. But for the base score, okay, best target score. Psycho King, I saw you at the Game Dev Days. Didn't know you also stream. Gotta tune in more often from now. Well, it's great. Welcome to the stream. It's great that you are joining our streams. Awesome. Yeah, did we? Because I don't know your real name, of course. So I can't really say if we talked there at the Game of Days, but awesome, it's great. Welcome. So we could actually remove all scores that are is target only. And we're just gonna add a property here and return something is target only that we haven't implemented. This needs to be added here somewhere. It's gonna be a serialized field. Thanks, Feifei, for letting people know that we have Discord. Of course, we have Discord. Hang out with us on our Discord. So it's target only. We gotta remove all the scores there, and now we need current score. We actually need to do this again, just without. And say if current score. Actually, this is bad practice. I will just call this base score and call this. No, it's just fine. I'm lazy today. Current score. If current score is higher than a base score, we say base score is current score, and that should be it for that part. Best target is best target. Okay. So this is base score evaluation. Yeah, this is actually this block here is something to do refactor cleanup. Not gonna do this today. And let's see, base score, get score is the base score, which is fine. Is there an override for that somewhere? No. Okay. I'm gonna make this protected as well, just in case we have. Or actually, should we? No, we should not. Only if we need it. Alright, so let's check again where best target score is used, range attack. Oh yeah, here it is. Because the range attack is based on our, how's it called, action target space. This is Okay. Is weapon available ready? We say best target score is 0. We should also say... Let me think about that, because if best target score is 0 here, because the weapon is not available, the base score should be 0 as well. So, yeah, now we need to do it. I'm gonna do it. Base score is 0 as well. But there is no other action where this is needed. Okay. Gonna let this compile. While this compiles, we're gonna take a look at the ticket again and see if we have everything in there. For some scores should only be used to select the target, but not to increase, decrease the final action score, and comparing it to other actions. Yes, that's the base score. The flag is there on the score component. When an action is evaluated, all potential targets are evaluated. Yes, when a target is evaluated, all scores are evaluated. Yes, when a score is evaluated, it adds the calculated score. Yes, it's described in a very strange and complex way, but it's actually implemented easier than it sounds here. When a score that is marked as target score is evaluated, it adds the calculated score to target score. Yes. After having evaluated the next target average score consisting of both average base score and average target score. So the thing is, of the new target and the previous target are compared, and the lower scoring target is dismissed. Yes, but the average score consisting of both the average base score and the average target score. What? That's not true. I don't think that this is right. I mean, this is certainly not correct, because if you evaluate the next target, no. There's one evaluation for the action itself. It just evaluates all this. What? Let's go back into the code here. So this is target scoring, which just uses, well, it uses all the scores, which is fine. And then we have the base score, which is all scores except target only scores. I think this is correct. The question is whether we have a test setup for this yet. Or maybe we have not. I have no idea. It would be nice to have something in a ticket that says something about where we can test this, but I think it's probably some grunt module, or because there's a score that just scores target health. And I think this is the case, because melee attack, it should score distance, companion health, personality value, threat to companion. But then which I think this is something where we should use is target only. Because this scorer just scores the target's health, and if this action is selected, it should actually attack the weakest enemy first. I'm just gonna try this, but I need the grunt module here in default. Let's see. Okay. Oh, we got the support module here as well. Okay, this is fine. Space Chicken. Let's see what the AI is doing. Melee attack. Okay. It definitely attacked the one that has the lowest target health. There were only 2 enemies there. What's happening here? Should we get another module? Anti-matter gun, okay. Melee attack, pick up ammo. Thanks for the ammo. Melee attack. Pick up ammo. Wait, what? Range attack. I think the anti-matter gun is somehow broken. I think I'm gonna deactivate the anti-matter gun. And now it wants to retreat. Oh, come on. Okay, low on health. Oh, there's... Uh-oh. Ah, damn it. There is something going on here. Slow beam is broken. FX line has been line renderer has been destroyed. We're still trying to access it. I have no idea who wrote that. Okay. Slow beam. There is something wrong in the slow beam. And beam. What is going on here? beam, set world positions. And use. Something is wrong here. Range attack, fire weapon. Line number is somewhere here. Okay. Bad practice. Still on input hold. I wonder if I could reproduce that. We'll just try again. Anti-metal gun is here, fine. Citrion, hey, checking bites. Top 3. Whoa. A lot of bites. Okay, no exceptions so far. You're getting close to that top 2. Where is the leaderboard? Wait, what? Why? Wait, the console was not. It was just not displaying this, all this crap here. Okay, and beam. And beam is here, input up. And use. Not sure. I mean, I know a quick fix, but I could, of course, I could check just if the game object is already gone, but why would this be called again? Maybe there's something wrong with... Dietmar, top 17! Range attack. On tick. And delay after fire, okay. Could this be an error in the scheduler? Because on tick well, I'm just gonna copy this. Hang on, I need a description here. Investigate potential scheduler is issue on tick is on tick called after. How is this other thing called? On tick. And yeah, just after the and where is Hack and Plan has just updated their user interface. I don't find anything here. Do they know what project? This one here. Do they attacks users? What the? Board? Yes. Category? No. What? Bark. Okay. Alright. But I think this is now working. Or at least it's working that it's ready to go into proper testing tomorrow. Schedule stuff is gonna be investigated some other day. So I'm gonna commit this. Split base and target scoring. What is the ticket number on this? 1140. And here, okay, so many things. Not sure about that. I'm just gonna commit these changes. And push it. Okay. Push to the repository. Okay, so this is going into testing, and we've pushed this as well and this as well. And I think that's it for tonight. So this tonight was a rather short stream, actually. I think I'm gonna end it here for tonight. We will be back on Thursday for the regular stream. I think. Let me just take a look at our. It's a lot of browsers open here. Let me take a look at our Twitch page. I think the schedule should be there. Oh, come on. If you take a look at our Twitch page, here is a countdown. So Thursday it says 3 p.m. Maybe I'm gonna start a bit earlier on Thursday, but we'll announce that on our Twitter here and also on our Discord. Yeah, as always, it would be nice if you could follow us here to stay up to date with everything about the game. And of course, you're invited to join our Discord to hang out with us and talk games there. And I think that's it for today. Yeah, well, should we see if we can rate someone? What do you think? Just check in who is streaming game development at the moment. Let's see. Thanks Dietmar for joining in today. I think today, why not take a look at some pixel art? Let's see. No, we don't want your ad. So yeah, this doing pixel art and game dev for Hartford. Alright. I think gonna rate this channel now. And once again, thank you very much for joining in today. I hope to see you soon on Thursday. Or maybe even earlier if I decide to throw in another dev stream tomorrow, but it's not very likely. Anyway, Thursday is the regular stream day. Would be nice to see you again. Thanks for joining in today. Please do follow us here on Twitch. And yeah, thanks again and see you soon. I'm starting the raid now. Just now. So just join the raid. And thanks again. See you soon.
Everywhere. You gotta let Jesus in your heart. Anyway, I don't mean this to fucking turn into one of those. Jesus is a cool dude.
And
he is.
raid. Bye.
Gentle Jesus.